Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Welcome to DPS online classes. My name is Farida Bibi, junior teacher DPS Sahiwal, and I'm here to teach you English of class 2. First of all, message of the day. Dear students, today's message is you become what you believe. What does it mean? It means if you believe in Allah and in yourself, you can do each and everything whatever you want. But it is must to believe in yourself. So just do your best and leave the rest. Okay? Always remember this message. Now come towards the objectives of today's lesson. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain what are rhyming words and to make appropriate rhyming words from the words. Okay? Now, let's see the content. What we are going to do, which exercise we are going to do. From your Oxford Modern English, we are doing rhyming words. That is your exercise D, page number 10. Is it clear? Now, let's see what are rhyming words. What do you mean by this? Let me explain. Rhyming words are those that have same ending sound. What does it mean? The rhyming words are those that doesn't start with the same sound but end with the same sound. Like what? Like cat, rat, hat. Is it clear? Nail, sail, boy, try, fry, catch, match. All these words that I have told you that have the same ending sound. Okay, so these all words are called the rhyming words. Now let's learn some rhyming words. We have to practice some rhyming words to explain it in detail. Yes, look at here. Sad. What should be the rhyming of sad, dear students? You can make it. Yes. Bad. Very good. Another word? Mad. Yes. You can make many words by it. Sad, bad. What is the other word? Look at here. Ball. Yes. It is very easy. Just try it. Wall. Very good. Another word, you can make another word of rhyming. Fall. Very good. Ball, wall, fall. The next word we have cat. Yes. And the rhyming should be fat. Very good. Cat, fat, rat, mat. Yes, there are so many rhyming words that ends with the sound of cat, ta. Yeah, cat, fat, rat, mat. Very good. And the other word is man. Very good. What should be the rhyming of this one? Fan. Another one? Ran, ban. Yes, man, fan, man, fan. And the other word is tin. Yes, what should be the rhyming? Bin. Very good. Tin, bin, fin, sin, tin, bin. And the other word is, look at here, ring. What should be the rhyming of this one? Just try yourself. Sing. Very good. Ring, sing, bring. Yes, ring, sing. Look at the other one. Bed. Yes, just try to make the rhyming of this word. Bed. Red. Very good. Bed, red, fed. Bed, red, bed, red. The next word is bright. Yes, now make the rhyming word of bright. Light. Very good. Bright, light, flight, bright, light. Very good. Come towards the next word. Tall, hall. Yes, tall, hall, ball, wall. Yes, you can make many words from this word tall, hall. The next word we have cry. Yes, make it. The rhyming word of this one is fry. Very good. Try. Yes, you also try the other words. Cry, fry, cry, fry. The next word is crown. Yes, what should be the rhyming of this one? Crown. Town. Very good. Crown, town, brown. Crown, town, brown. The next word is, look at the other word, old. Yes, what should be the rhyming of this one? Gold. Very good. Old, gold, fold, rolled. Yes, old, gold, old, gold. And the next word we have pot. Yes, what should be the rhyming of this word? Pot, hot. Yes, pot, hot, short, pot, hot, short. So my dear students, you have learned about rhyming words, that rhyming words have same ending sound, and we have practiced different rhyming words. Now what is the time? It's the time for home assignment. Yes, you love home assignment. Yes, I know you love home assignment. Today your home assignment is related to your textbook. Now open your book, Oxford Modern English, page number 8, and find out the rhyming words from this poem and write down on your notebook. Is it clear? You have to find out the rhyming words from the poem The Rainbow, and you have to write down it on your notebooks. Okay? Now student, that's all from my side. I think you have enjoyed your lesson. Thanks a lot.